Hello, my beautiful soul tribe. I welcome you to Soul Tarot. I'm going to do a soulmate twin flame reading as I've been called out to do it again. If you haven't checked the last one, which was the messages from the DM to the DF, please do check that out. And also, I'm going to link the same in the description box below for all the details about the channel as to what I do and how you can get in touch with me for a personal reading if you're interested at all. Please do shoot an email or find us on Twitter. And today I am going to really pull out the message that the DF, Divine Feminine, is trying to give to the Divine Masculine very strongly, and it's coming around very loud because in the last reading she was very patient, she was very relaxed, she was easy, she was patiently waiting, and I see that she still is, but she's just trying to say something to the masculine who knows it, that who knows his or her, divine feminine. Gender does not matter, please keep that in mind, okay? So the divine masculine just knows it in the heart, but what's happening is that he's not coming around, he's not coming forth. And you know what I'm picking up? I'm picking up that the divine feminine is saying that, listen, I'm giving you that courage. With the Ace of Swords that I see here, she's really saying that I give you that courage. I offer you that courage. I'm vibrating that courage so that you can make the required changes and come forward and understand what this is about. So yeah, it seems that it's a little challenged, but yet they both know. And somehow it seems that you have found the collective that I'm tapping into right now for the twin flame or the soulmate people who already know and who have identified. Possibly this reading is for them, and if the title or anything else has attracted you to this reading anytime, the reading is definitely for you. Do hit share, like and subscribe if you like it. If not, do spread love, joy and happiness, as that's the mantra here, and spread joy, love, happiness yet again as we heal the world collectively, because that helps us heal ourselves. Okay, so the messages from the DF very strongly to the DM. They're going to tell me to stop. Actually, you must be wondering that I'm shuffling and I'm shuffling and I'm shuffling, but I'm just being told to shuffle. I'm getting this song, okay? I don't know, it's been very popular last year. It's been sung by who, I'm just kind of forgetting it, but it's like, memories bring back, nah, right? So something like that. Do check if the song resonates with you. I think there's something for you in this reading. They're telling me to stop. And I have the Ace of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Could I have asked for more, really? Come to think of it, because that's exactly what I was tapping into. Let's see. It's going to be a free reading, free spread. 5, 7, 9. I don't know how many cards pop out. Okay, let's see. I'm an intuitive tarot reader, empath, mystical healer. So my details are in the description box. Do watch, okay? For any other further info. The deck information would be listed below. Although I don't do that, but you can still see. 2 more, they say. Currently I'm using Rider-Waite, okay? So messages from the DF to the DM, Divine Feminine messages towards the Divine Masculine is what I'm going to tap into. So let's see what do we have here. As I said, we have the Ace of Swords. Then I have the Two of Wands. Okay. Then we have the Two of Cups. Then we have the Five of Swords. Then we have the Seven of Pentacles and we have the Two of Pentacles. I hope you can see the spread. I'm in the process of changing my layout and everything, but that will be done in some time, as everything is being done in accordance to the Western and Vedic astrology and guidance. So that would take some time, but till then, I think let's just be patient and not pick up. Just focus on the message. If this resonates with you, of course, this is for you. Do hit like, share, and subscribe. If not, you can simply spread joy, love, and happiness. I repeat that, right? A lot. But that's what I really like, because that's what my soul emanates, okay? You know what I'm picking up from the Divine Masculine very strongly? I'm strongly picking up that I'm confused. Although we are doing a reading for the Divine Feminine, as her messages are coming around, but the Divine Masculine also saying that I'm confused. Maybe because of that reason we have the Two of Pentacles. Yeah? So the first card out was the Ace of Swords, okay? The Ace of Swords is basically about truth. As Michael any which way says that, I am with you. Don't worry. And you're on the right path. You know it. The truth has been revealed. After all the restless nights that you've been through, you've been contemplating, thinking, you already know in your heart, right? So, the Divine Masculine knows it. And the Divine Feminine also knows it. And she's in acknowledgement for the same, okay? Divine Feminine says, I'm waiting. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Okay? I'm waiting for you. But how much? It seems she's getting a little impatient. I don't know. I'm picking that vibe for the collective that I'm tapping into, okay? She's slightly impatient about it. There's love. Indeed, there's love which is divine, which is pure, which is so beautiful in the vibration. But it's just not in time right now. It has to happen in divine time. Why? The Divine Feminine knows that there are a lot of external elements that are bothering the Divine Masculine. He's not able to decide and figure it out. As she's very vocal about this. She knows. But at times she also falls in trap. He or she, as I said, please don't go for the gender. They just fall in trap. They don't know. Right? They get confused. They get lost. So the vibrations, they go low. So the advice here is please do not, let your vibrations go low. Make sure that you push it. Push yourself and keep yourself in the positive vibrational zone so that you can reach it out. You can send it out to your flame, to your soulmate, to the partner, even if you're in separation or you find challenging or you're still to find your significant other. Okay? She is also looking, just like the masculine in the last reading, I'm going to surely link for people who haven't seen it. That she's also looking, she's also waiting, hoping for all this to grow. But I think the focus for the masculine right now is more about, the resources, the external engagement that he has to fulfill or she has to fulfill, either which way, right? They both are thinking about this. They know there's love. They know the truth is out. They have that understanding very strong. But they both are waiting. They both are a little diluted, getting disillusional about it. So they're strongly guiding me to tell you this, that don't lose faith. Because if you will, then you would make it all the more difficult. So you have to magnify this relationship by staying positive, by being hopeful, by staying in faith and knowing that, in time, in order, the divine will definitely bring you guys together. But how you basically emanate the energy reaches out to your flame, if he is known or unknown or she is known or unknown to you. So you both are struggling right now. The Divine Feminine is waiting, hoping woke about the whole thing, but is a little confused, thinking, going in that low vibrational energy that God, what's gonna happen? How it's gonna happen? Is it gonna happen? Not gonna happen? Is gonna happen? And the divine masculine also, I think, has a similar energy there. I know it. I just know it. In the last reading, I don't know why I'm being prompted to talk about the last reading, because it was very loud and very in tangent to this, that he knows it, but he's not able to come forward. Just in the similar way as divine feminine is trying to communicate that you know the truth. I know the truth. We both have this love for each other, you know, we both. But we both are just a little pulled back somehow. Why? Because possibly the understanding is there, but the relativity for the same in the real world has to come. Astrally, you both know you're in alignment. Okay, so this is what I have for you, the messages of divine feminine to the divine masculine. I'm gonna hit the divine masculine reading that I did in the description box. If this seems to be your reading, you're attracted to the title. If this has resonated, do give us a hit, like, and subscribe. If it does not, you can just ignore it and still send love, joy, happiness, as I send that to you big time. Bye.